In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely clone a provisioned Grafana dashboard without UID conflicts. Provisioned dashboards are managed by configuration files, which means they're read only in the UI and come with a fixed unique identifier, or UID. If you try to duplicate one without changing that identifier, Grafana will complain about a conflict. The safe approach is to copy the dashboard's JSON and import it as a brand new dashboard with its own UID and name. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening the provisioned dashboard you want to clone, for example the billing usage dashboard. Once it's open, head to the settings page by clicking the gear icon. In the left side menu of the settings, select JSON model. This shows the full dashboard definition as JSON. Click the button to copy the JSON to your clipboard. You now have a portable snapshot of the entire dashboard, panels, layout, queries, and settings. Next, import that JSON as a fresh dashboard. In the left sidebar, click the plus icon and choose Import. On the import page, select Import via JSON. Then paste the JSON you just copied. You're not modifying the provisioned original, you're preparing to create a separate editable version. Before you import, give this clone its own identity. In the UID field, type a new unique value such as billing usage clone. The exact value is up to you. Just make sure it's distinct and uses simple characters since Grafana uses it internally to track the dashboard. Then set a clear, human-friendly name, like billing/usage clone, so you and your team can recognize it at a glance. If you organize dashboards into folders, this is a good moment to choose where it should live. Keeping clones in a dedicated folder can make management easier. Now click Import. Grafana will create your new dashboard with the UID and name you specified. Open it and verify that everything looks right. Check that all panels load, queries return data, and variables and filters behave as expected. If anything appears off, compare with the original to confirm settings match, and adjust data sources or permissions if needed. From here, you can freely edit this cloned dashboard, change visualizations, tweak queries, or add panels without touching the provision source. The original remains intact and continues to be managed by code or configuration. And that's how you safely clone a provisioned Grafana dashboard without UID conflicts. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.